Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do this question paper. It's a paper that was written in 2018 International IGCSE Physics paper 1. So most of the questions that we're going to do, we'll get them from this paper. If you want me to send you the link of this paper, just leave a comment on the comment section. Please remember to like and subscribe. Good. Well, this is a very interesting question. It's a 5 marker, so definitely it's very interesting. So let us read it. The microwaves used in the scanner have a wavelength of 16 millimeters. You remember the symbol that represents wavelength? It's lambda. This one, lambda, for wavelength. In other words, in our data, lambda is equals to 16 millimeters. Then now the speed of the magnetic radiation, they gave us speed. The speed is represented by V, and they gave us the speed is 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second. That's our speed. Let me fix my 3. That's our speed. Then the question says calculate the frequency. Calculate the frequency, and the letter or the variable or the symbol that represents frequency is F. For frequency, small f, not big F. Big F is for force. I'll give you a wrong. It is wrong to write capital letter F. It's a small letter F for frequency, and they want us to calculate the frequency. And again, here you consult your International IGCSE Physics equation sheet, of which is this one. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for a formula that relates these 3 variables: lambda, of which is the wavelength, frequency, speed, of which is V, and frequency is F. Once you find that formula, then you'll be able to manipulate it around and be able to calculate the required answer that they want you to find. So here we go. The first question here, V is equals to F times lambda, where they tell you that V is speed, F is frequency, and lambda is the wavelength. So we know that the formula that we should use is V for speed is equals to frequency multiplied by lambda. Okay, now the question wants us to find the frequency F, meaning that we need to make F the subject of the formula. Then our formula will be F is equals to V divided by lambda. But there is one thing that we need to do about our wavelength, about lambda here. Lambda is in millimeters, and we know that in physics we are not dealing with millimeters. Rather, we deal with meters, meaning that we need to convert the 16 millimeters into meters. We need to convert the 16 millimeters into meters. Then we know to do that we have to divide by 1,000. We need to divide by 1,000. So basically what we're going to do, we are going to do 16 divided by 1,000, then we will get 0.016 meters. You see, now we converted the millimeters into meters, then we can definitely be able to substitute in our equation. So we will be okay, it's fine. Since our speed is given in meters per second, it's okay. Then what we'll do here, we'll say 3.0 times 10 to the power 8 divide by 0.016. Then we get the answer is 3 times 10 to the power 8 divided by 0.016. Then we'll get our answer from our calculator. We'll get 1.875 times 10 to the power 10 But the question said to us we should round it into two significant figures. Two significant figures, it means our answer will be 1. That's a 1 significant figure, comma, then this will round this off, which means will give us 9. 9 times 10 to the power 10 hertz. Then that's our answer. Good. Very interesting. This is a very interesting question.